Alright, what's up Droid users? This is just a quick run through of my new ROM. It's NexTheme over the official 2.1 update, which is ESE81, and I've added in some goodies, so stay tuned and we'll see what we got here. Alright, so this is actually the Helix Launcher. It comes with it, as well as the default launcher. The default launcher comes with 5 screens. Helix Launcher goes up to 7. But I stick with 5. I find that works pretty well. This Helix Launcher is the original one, so it doesn't have the 3D app tray. Instead, it just has the regular app drawer. I mean, I know a lot of you guys miss the 3D drawer, but in my usage, that the original results in a lot better performance, takes less memory, basically keeps everything running snappy. So that's a trade-off I'm willing to make. Also, a nice little feature is if you double tap on the screen here, it brings up the preview of all your home screens, and you can quickly navigate between them. So that's a nice little feature. So if you guys have seen 2.1 already, next couple things might bore you, but for those who haven't, big difference is now there's multi-touch in the browser, in the gallery, and in maps. So let me just demonstrate those real quick. So open up the browser here, pretty quick. Already at my favorite forums, Android forums. So I'll just zoom out, and I gotta put this down, but you can see, pinch zoom, nice and responsive, nice and smooth. Also in this ROM, memory management seems really good, so anytime you're exiting out of programs back to the home screen, it's nearly instantaneous. Let me go to the gallery here. Oops. And so this is a new 3D gallery. You see all your pictures are sprawled around here, and it does this nice little tilt thing when you tilt your screen, or if you run it too far. So let me find, here's a harmless little directory. These are my wallpapers, and so now we can finally flick through our pictures, and of course we can pinch to zoom into our pictures. And like I said, returning home is always lightning quick. I'm not going to go into maps. I'm sure you guys all have already used the pinch to zoom feature in maps. It's been out for a while. What next? Oh, alright. So in this release, I've pulled the MMS out of Cyanogen's ROM, and it's just a little bit different from the default. So in your conversations, you have a black background. You have these settings. You can change the notifications, much like in handset. You can change the LED color, the vibrate pattern. You can change the font, you can hide names, just some nice little features. And I found that if you don't use pop-up, this actually eliminates the need for me to use handset, which is nice. I like using the least amount of apps as possible. It keeps the phone running faster. Oh, and also I've included this themed Htc Ime Keyboard. If you guys haven't used it before, the Htc keyboard is really great. It's got great prediction, it looks nice, and this is themed to match the ROM. Credit goes to the Gimsta at XDA for making this, and it's not going to be the default keyboard when you install the ROM, but if you click on any text box and input method, you can just choose touch input, and it'll switch over. And if you don't like some of the settings, you can hold this down, whoops, and you go straight to the settings. Tons of settings, so look through them all. And oh, last but not least, everybody loves the live wallpapers, so let me just show a quick demonstration. And here's the neural network Droid version. If you don't like this version, I also have the original Nexus 1 version, which can easily be installed via script. So click on the link, check out my ROM. Thanks a lot.